All right, folks, that's what you're looking for. Birds. Birds of a feather flock together, hitting the top of the water. I mean, fish all around us. Unfortunately, they're small ones. I just lost my red Cajun anchor. I'm not happy, but that's the fact of life. Anyway, that's what we're looking for, the birds. They're feeding right there. Hey, our company came back. They flew away and landed for a while in the water, and then they came back up again. Old Big Jeff's in a hot spot, but he ain't catching nothing. He's got a lot of shrimp on. But the birds are all over this little corner right here. Water, the wind coming from our back, tide's going from right to left, hitting that water, going around this point over here.